How to set app icon badges to show numbers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. So after click on home screen, scroll down and you will see apps icon badges is here, so click on app icon badges. So if you want to set dot, so click on dot. So after click on dot, go back to home screen and you will see app icon dot is here. So if you want to set number, so go back and click on number. So after click on number, you will see app icon number is showing here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set app icon badges to show number and dot on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.